Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ki sengsan perthai nagajala kilapun kam hakaban pen Khreh nagabenta ki election MP ki donru ki sengsan perthai ki balapan benai ki kertong ki ban mi banyak kun yakni ki election nakaliang presiden ke BJP Meghalaya Rikman momen haba jubab ya jingkeli Halor ke election MP but MDC ulaong baka seng kalapun Khreh nagabenta ki election uli athuru bakidon ki nongelam ka seng ki balapan pa baki terang ban mi banyak kun ki election MP lakadai natura nena shalong hakabede baki jingmi khubor ba uwe ni ki nongelam ka seng ubadai ru menteri sarkar uba AL hek udon gejing temu banyak kun na shalong parliamentary constituency umomin ulaong bakala bandai ba udon jingmut banyak kun Henry ka shongpat hakin nongelam ba hakli do jong ke BJP ban shim ya karai.
For this one election purpose for the party, we have already prepared because our members are still there. Only the office bearer has been changed. A president has been changed. That's all. All mondos are still exist. Of a boot level are all exist. So we don't have to worry much about it.
So when is the party inviting application from interested candidates?
That will be announced by the center only.
Well, we have seen the parties like NPP and VPP. Most of these parties, they have come forward with the list of candidates for the Lok Sabha election. But why not the BJP?
They are different party, we are different parties. So according to the party policies, it will go on.
So how many people have approached the party for a ticket from both Shillong and Tura parliamentary seats?
Right now there is some candidates are there. So I wouldn't be able to name it right now.
How many contenders?
There may be, but I am not going to name it right now.
There are
Until and unless the center announced for the candidates, so I won't be able to announce it right now. Interest for contesting?
But what is the mind of the party?
That's up to the center parliamentary board. We have. My duty is only to forward those who have been applying for it.
So, as per report, Mukul had serious discussions with your leadership in India. There's no talks about if he's joining.
No, I don't have any idea about it.
But under your leadership, are you planning to?
Yeah, that as a BJP, it's good if we can also put a woman candidate because our recently that 32% of women reservation has been given.
So will you look forward to get some women aspiring candidates apply for the ticket?
Yes, we are welcome. Any woman can apply it.
No, will you ask women specifically to apply for the ticket for the?
Yes, that's what I am saying. Those who are interested, they can apply it.
Hakabede bat ke jingmi khubor ba unongelam ke Trinamool Congress Dr. Mukul sangma udang yakren bat kinongelam ke BJP Delhi ban penyaso sya ke BJP nakaliang umumin ulaong ba dan Jingtip ai Halor kata ula penrap ru de ka baong ba kino ki bakwa ban penyaso bat ke BJP ka seng ka long ka bakloi ban pediang bat ke jingkhang ka plilut ya baro.
Why not? Everyone is open. Everyone will be open to join the party. It will be a great pleasure if he should come and join the party.